Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. It's Gilly here, and today we're gonna be doing a really excited play with me / review first impressions video on the PatrickStarrr Me So Chic collection that he has with MAC Cosmetics. Super excited to be playing around with this today. This was definitely one of those collaborations that I was very excited for this year, and I'm so glad I was able to get my hands on not one but two of these. The second Me So Chic collection is for one of you guys because I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I'm giving away Me So Chic to one of you guys, so stay tuned in this video to find out how to enter. This giveaway is going to be only within the USA, so I'm really sorry to anybody that's not within the USA, but sadly you cannot enter for this giveaway. I just want to put that out there, you know, in the beginning so nobody gets their hopes up and then kills me. So yeah, let's just jump right into this. I also purchased the Me So Fleek collection, and I did that one doing like a get ready with me video style. Since that's not the one I was giving away, I figured I would talk to you guys through this one and let you guys watch me get ready with the other one. So without further ado, let's just jump right into this because I've talked way too much. First and foremost, my foundation is already done, eyebrows are already done, and I've already primed my eyelids with some MAC concealer. Just gonna jump right into this collection. You do get this wonderful face chart here for you to kind of follow along with to get this look, which I think I might follow this today. And then lots of unnecessary packaging. For $49.50, you do get 2 lip products, a lip glass and a lipstick. This one is in the shade Sweet Mama Star, and then this is in the shade Mama Star Kiss. Super cute names, might I add. You get an eyeshadow palette, which all has the same pink floral packaging, and this eyeshadow palette is kind of like this super dark one with the purples and this kind of like pinks up here. Super cute. Can't wait to see what we can create with this. And the last product in here is a blush duo. Let me show you what these look like. This one is definitely the lighter kit of the two. I think that this has the lighter lip products and face products but darker eye products, whereas the Me So Fleek kit has the kind of lighter shades for the eyes but darker lip and definitely darker cheek. I have already tried that out because I've already filmed that before, and they definitely really did show up on my skin tone. So I feel like Me So Fleek is definitely for people of color, kind of, sort of, but we'll see what happens with Me So Chic. Again, let me stop talking and let's just jump right into this really cute little eyeshadow quad. Just gonna grab a super fluffy brush and jump right into this shade here to use as our transition shade. I'm not really sure what look is going on in the face chart, but I will try my best. These are MAC shadows, so per usual, the formula is great. It's MAC, obviously, and they do really great work, so I wouldn't be worried about the formula if I were you guys. I think that a point of worry would just be like, how am I supposed to use these colors every single day? And I think that if you're a simple person, you can definitely use these shades every single day, just because like you can use these light colors at the top for like an everyday look, and then if you're going out at night, you can darken it and deepen it up with these two at the bottom. And if you're interested in playing around with color, it is spring and this is Floral Realness. I would definitely, you know, recommend that you get these. Taking a smaller fluffy brush, I'm going to go into this really dark matte purple shade here and run that through like my entire crease. So this is what we have right now. I am going to do, I've decided to do a half cut crease look just because of the way this is kind of playing out. So I'm just gonna cut my crease with my MAC concealer. On top of that concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and put this like pretty shimmery fuchsia purpley looking color on top of there. See what happens. So this is what we have so far for the eye look. I'm just going to go ahead and quickly do my concealer, bronzer, all that stuff off camera, and then come back to do the blush and lips on camera with you guys and tell you guys how to win this really fun giveaway. Sure you guys want to hear about that. Whew. Okay guys, so I got these lashes on and dear God did I just struggle. So if they just don't look fine, just don't, let's not talk about that. So now we're just gonna quickly move on to the blush. This is what she looks like. Let me just get a little blush brush. Not really a blush brush, but it will do. Do a 1-2 all over. Dust that off and see what happened. On me, this is very subtle, bordering on ashy. So this is cute, but not for me. I'm probably gonna give that to my sister or something because she's like a little bit lighter than me. I'm just gonna quickly highlight using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. This one is in Molten Rose Gold. And now, finally guys, we're gonna move into lips and I'm gonna take Sweet Mama Starrr. I do really love Mama Starrr from the first collection he did, so hopefully Sweet Mama Starrr gives me the same, you know, feelings. This is a little more nudie pink than I would normally go for. I definitely need like a liner with this. Let me grab my MAC Chestnut. Hold up, sis. Hold up. I've got Chestnut here to save the day. Yeah, now that's looking a bit better and I'm gonna add the gloss on top of it. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I really like the way that this came out. I think I look really like sultry right now. I don't know why. It might be because these lashes are like basically overtaking my eyelids, but this is cute. I'm into this. I like this a lot. I had so much fun playing with this collection and I'm sure you guys are like, bitch, can you tell us about this giveaway? Yes, I'm about to tell you right now. For the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment down below what your favorite makeup product is. It could be like eyeliner or like lip gloss or lipstick, or you can't leave your house without your eyebrows. Anything, whatever it is that you just can't live without. And in 2 weeks time, and once I figure out what date that is from the day that I post this video, the giveaway will be closed and I will pick a winner and I will message you on YouTube. You can also enter an additional giveaway by following me on Instagram. And if you do follow me on Instagram, please comment your Instagram name down below as well so I know like who you are, because maybe sometimes people's names are different from like YouTube and Instagram, just so that I know and I can count you in, you know, twice or whatever. But yeah, that's really it for this video. I'm really enjoying this look. I am actually going nowhere. I'm about to go wash my face and take a shower, but this was really cute. And Sweet Mama Starrr, it looks cute, especially with the gloss. I'm feeling this. I like this a lot. Please let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys got the PatrickStarrr collection as well, please let me know. No, that's not gonna stop you from getting interested in the thing. Maybe you got Me So Fleek and you want Me So Chic, you know what I mean? But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching.